Today on our board, on our desk, we have this beautiful but ancient but beautiful laptop. What is the main problem? As you can see, one of the multiple problems of this computer, of this laptop, is the broken part. Some broken parts. It's not extremely dirty, but on the keyboard you can see, maybe you can see, okay, I can see a lot of rust. We need to clean up it. We must change thermal paste, clean thermal interfaces, and clean system. This is not erase system. I'm not talking about system erasing, but clean up from viruses, clean up from some trash. Actually, temperature check up, memory testing, VRAM testing, and another important part testing, and fixing. Okay, for testing I will use Medicat. This flash drive contains a Medicat. I need to check what is going on and how can I fix it. For now I have no testers. For example, I have no RAM tester, I have no motherboard tester, but this beautiful tool can show me a lot of information. And this information it's actually useful to understand what is wrong with this laptop. Okay, in first order I wanna check up temperatures to understand cleaning needed or not, and began a system stability test in AIDA 64. And what do we have now? We have in stress test 77 degrees in CPU and GPUs. 74, 77, 76. It's too high for laptop. I began a stress stability test in AIDA 64. And what do we have? Temperatures of CPU and GPU grew up from 65 in just common working without upload, and on the stress is growing up from 65 degrees to 75 degrees. It's too hot for laptop, CPU and GPU. Even we have a deal with old computer, with old laptop. Virus scanning showed not a virus risk tool, mic recorder. This is legal software, but it can be used by criminals. Actually, the excellent variant to delete this one, but mic recorder, this installed application using by user of this computer, and every single application on this computer, sorry for my English, I had no normal conversation, not normal speaking practice during the year. Okay, wherever. In this case, we do not need to deinstall or deactivate this application because it's application in use. No matter. This application is using for recording of the voice of the songs and others used by. Sometimes defragmentation can fix some issues during working on old PCs. If you still wanna use a Windows. For my clients, I recommend for old laptops and old PC change their operation system into the Linux. Linux can can give a new life, another chance for their laptops, especially light versions. But okay, this is decision of the owner, not my business. I have to do what I have to do. And now I have to do a defragmentation. Here we can see a problem when hinges broke up antennas cables. Okay, what do we have finally after composition of this laptop? I cleaned up everything, used thermal pads, used thermal compound. Here was the great problem. We didn't have normal opening and closing. Okay, finally fix it. It's fixed. Now it's scanning and repairing drive. It's every time happening especially with Windows 8, based on modified Windows 7. Let's say in this way. What else? Was broken connection between antenna for Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi module. Fix it. It was broken brutally by this broken unit. Okay, now it must work. Let's see how it works. Okay, as you can see, stress test shows to us stable normal temperatures up to 60, but don't forget this is old machine and this is old processor and old video card. After clean up, after thermal compound changing, no noise, absolutely no. I can hear noise. Okay, now we can finish with this laptop. We can reboot it to its own normal Windows. Thanks for watching and good luck.